Okay, so right now we're looking at the top half of the circuit board. So this is the side that's face up when the buoy is in the water. We have these status LEDs. This is the GPS ceramic antenna, and this is the iridium antenna. And for the most part, the rest of this is a ground plane. There's something here going on where the ground plane's been omitted for the echo sounder. I don't know too much about that. And then this plug here is the plug for the solar panel. So flipping it over, we can see the bones of this guy. This bottom row of connectors is for the battery packs. Again, there's 3. My suspicion is that 2 of the packs aren't rechargeable, and that the one is, and the rechargeable pack is this set of 3, even though they all have 2 connectors. I did find the part number for this little 8-pin jobby, and it is an adjustable voltage regulator. I guess I won't dive in too deep in what I think the circuit is, and let's do a broader look. So this section here is for the GPS. You can see the unpopulated U-Blocks module. You can see the Quectel L70R, decoupling capacitors, antenna, resistors on the signal lines. So if you've been in a GPS data sheet, it's all there. And then unfortunately, they've lasered off a lot of their part numbers, which is super selfish. And I think shame on you. But this is clearly the microcontroller that's running the whole show, which means this is likely the programming header for the microcontroller. Really easy to see where the crystal plugin is and what pins those crystals are. This is a 12-pin quad flat pack. So anyway, if someone works with these kind of chips, I'd love to know. But again, decoupling capacitors, they can tell you for a fact that the GPS pins are on that top corner there. Anyway, so here we have the microcontroller. Here we have the GPS. This here is the iridium link. The supercapacitors aren't populated. I'm pretty sure that's what that's for. This jumper, I'm not sure what this jumper is for yet. This is the one that goes to ground very oddly. I'm hoping this just provides a direct link to the iridium UART, but I have not found that to be the case yet. And then this is the big mystery to me. I'm pretty sure all of this is part of the echo sounder, but I'm very unfamiliar with that topology. It's not a must-have for any of our projects, but it would be very useful to know how that works and possibly repurpose it. And since we're here and we're recording, I would like to talk about the solar charger. This is an adjustable voltage regulator. I'll link in the part description, part number. And it does get feedback, so it is adjustable, but it gets feedback from 2 places if I'm not mistaken, which is what's confusing to me. But so the output of the regulator is on pin 4, and that runs all the way through here through this diode 12, which is upside down. Let's flip it over. So again, pin 4 of this voltage regulator is the output. It runs through this diode, which then goes to the high side of the rechargeable battery. That comes out into this large trace here. And the high sides of both of these batteries feed through a diode and then onto that same bus. So it looks to me as if no current can pass through to the other cells, which is unfortunate. So that's fine. So these are the 2 feedback resistors, R72 and R70. And so according to the data sheet, I think that should be a 13.5 volt output. However, last night I was looking at this other resistor R71, and that is also providing feedback to the regulator. So if anyone knows anything about that, that would be a huge help.